Imagine saying, "Hey Tesla, plan my road trip," and your car responds with a perfect route, adjusted climate, and even a playlist.
Okay, but why it's matter for business?
Tesla's plus 2 million vehicles sold globally are a massive platform for Grok 4. Automotive tech companies, from app developers to sensor manufacturers, can build tools that integrate with Grok 4's ecosystem.
But what's next?
By early 2026, Grok 4 could power autonomous driving features, in-car personalization, or even vehicles-to-vehicles communication.
And strengthening Tesla's lead in the electrical vehicles race. As I said, Grok 4 isn't just for drivers, it's a goldmine for business owners.
Through XAI's API, companies can create apps that syncs with Tesla's system.
Like navigation tools, entertainment platforms, or fleet management software. Early adopters could see big win.
With Tesla's growing market share, over 20% of global electrical vehicle sales,
Demand for Grok 4 powered solutions will arise. But what kind of companies? For example, the companies working in innovation age, like startups, can build niche apps like AI-driven maintenance alerts, while enterprises can use Grok 4 for fleet analytics or customer experience upgrades. On the other hand, some other businesses that are related to real-world impacts can do this.
imagine a delivery company optimizing route in real time with Grok 4 and cutting costs and boosting efficiency.
Grok 4 AI magic is set to redefine Tesla. But it's not without challenges. Well, as you can see, $300 per month, which is a bit high,
And some ex-post questions, potentially biases in its responses.
but the top benchmark scores, which I created a video here, you can watch that video after this video, and I analyzed all benchmarks scores between Grok 4, Gemini Cloud, and ChatGPT. But among all these AIs, Grok 4 is powerhouse for innovation.
Grok 4 is transforming Tesla forever, and the opportunities are endless. Whether you are a developer, entrepreneur, or Tesla fan, now it's the time to explore this AI revolution.
But for business, the question is this: will you ride this AI wave or get left behind? That's your choice. Tell me how Grok 4 can change your experience with Tesla or change your business. Drop your thoughts in the comments and watch Grok 4 live stream quick recap in this video.